All right, yeah, morning stretches. Let's go. Everybody up. Let's go. What do we got, Jeff?
Sideways lunges.
Okay. Sideways lunges. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Other way now. Ready? Everybody up. Let's go. You have to get up. This is mandatory. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You guys ready for the next thing? Yeah. Okay. What's the next thing, Jeff?
Forward lunges.
Forward lunges. Right leg first. Ready? 1 and 2. And we're doing one more. 3. And now the other foot. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3. Yeah, good job. Woo, yeah. High fives. All right. What's next?
We got toe touches.
Toe touches.
5.
5 toe touches. Ready? 1, 2.
2 0 0 0 3 7 7 0. Trzynski end. Keep your legs straight.
What's next, Jeff?
Side reaches.
Side reaches. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and push it one more. 5. Yeah. All right, other side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good job, everybody. What else?
All right, now we got quad stretches.
Quad stretches.
10
Everybody
seconds
grab
each leg.
somebody's shoulders. 10 seconds each leg. I'm gonna grab the pull. Do whatever. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
2 0 0 0 5 3 3 7. Muller H. Stabilize yourself with someone's shoulder.
All right, other leg. Here we go. Get ready. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and done. Good job, everybody. Great job, everybody. Woo, yeah. Good time. Are we done?
No, you.
One more. Here
Arm
we go.
circle.
Finisher. Arm circles. Start out small. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Progressively bigger.
6, and make them bigger. Yeah. Other way now. And done.